Morning everyone, I'm your sales counselor for today, and this is the actual location of Manila Memorial Park, Davao, and we have an interment for today at 11 a.m. So actually wala pa pong tao, paparating pa lang sila. Papakita ko lang po sa inyo yung area ng interment. So our package for interment fee is 40,000, and it includes one interment coordinator and 3 tents, then 24 chairs with also a big industrial fan, a table, and 30 bottles of mineral water. And meron po tayong service umbrella. Pakibalik lang po pagkatapos. And this is now the burial area. Dito po lalagay yung casket. Then, sa kabila, yun po yung vault. Doon po ihuhulog yung casket. Then, 8 feet po ang deep